In our continuing coverage of the Shelby trial, prosecutors today said dashcam video shows Shelby had her hand on her taser before she shot Terrence Crutcher. News on 6's Annie Chang's live on the story for us tonight at 10.
Well, Scott, that's after Betty Shelby testified in her own defense for about 2.5 hours earlier today. She did not make eye contact with the prosecutor. Instead, she looked at the jury the entire time.
Shelby testified in court Monday that Crutcher's death was his own fault. "I did everything I could to stop this," Shelby testified. Assistant District Attorney Kevin Gray said, "Everything but use a taser." Shelby replied, "My training didn't allow for a taser at that point." But prosecutors introduced new evidence late Monday afternoon, screen grabs from this dashcam video. They say the images show Shelby placing her left hand on her taser. Shelby's attorneys asked her about her training and qualifications to be an officer. Shelby said she gets about 200 hours of police training every year, even though the requirement is only 25 hours a year. Shelby's attorneys also called up a few expert witnesses, including Dr. Chris Mahandi, a police psychologist whom they paid about $20,000 for his consultation. Prosecutors revealed during their questioning Mahandi has worked for several cable TV shows about crime, including the investigation discovery show Is O.J. Innocent? Mahandi said Shelby's emotional interview with Sergeant Dave Walker was normal given the circumstances and did not necessarily mean she had an emotional mindset when she shot Terrence Crutcher.
These attorneys could call 3 more witnesses tomorrow, and then closing arguments could start tomorrow afternoon. Reporting live on the scene on the story from the Tulsa County Courthouse, I'm Annie Chang, who's on 6.